Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the end of the day with a 10 by 10 inch canvas and a little bit of paint left in my cup, some black enamel, some pink neon from Artist Loft, some purple neon from Folk-Art with some multi-surface, a little 24 karat gold from Deco-Art with some orange in it, a little color shifting Deco-Art, and some dioxidine purple. And I had some gold in there, and I'm going to put some more in. If I need more paint, it's right there. I think what I'm going to do is give myself a puddle in the center, and the pleasure of just spinning my turntable and watching that puddle of paint spread out. And I think I'm going to put a little bit more of that neon pink and the Folk-Art neon purple, and even a little bit more of everything. Just everything. And then I'll try and get it out of my way. See how far I can make that go around. Something's bound to get swallowed, but I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means that I have a fair shot, even if I wanted to leave it like it was, that it wouldn't crack, although that is pretty heavy. I am getting ready to call it a day. I've been rained on 3 times now. I am going to take all of that paint out of there, put it right down. Gosh, that's gorgeous. Makes me want to just pull it right out from the center. Alright, into the bucket that goes. I'm going to use what's on my finger that came off of the spatula. Cover over the edge. I'm going to find my purple. Am I? Purple or gold? You know what I want to use? I want to use this neon. I never do stuff like this. And it's a little precious right now because Artist Loft hasn't had any for a while. I'd really love to be able to keep all those stripes and jagged lines. I do have an edge catcher handy. Things will probably go much more easily where there's paint. Paint flows to paint. I didn't keep any of my black. I like to keep watching those stripes stretch out. I am going to lose most of that neon pink. That's okay. That was kind of sort of part of the plan. I am trying to be patient so that I can keep what I like. If I really, really wanted to keep it, I would spread other paint right now around the edge of this. But as it is, I think I'm just going to take what I've got and use it to the best of my ability. I'm going to grab this edge catcher. It's probably stuck down to something. That's fantastic. I love this. I don't want to lose all that orange, I gotta say. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put some more of that orange. That is actually the gold from Deco-Art. And I'm hoping against hope that that will flow over the side and I can rock my canvas and my edge catcher and make it flow right back again, and it worked. Yes! This is a total fantasy. This is so cool. So I can also take this paint and put it right back on the canvas and use it. Anything that comes off can go back on as long as it's not glopped up. This is a bad edge catcher to use because it's got texture from lumps. So what do I want to do? I've got this great purple that I mixed earlier today. I'm just going to fill in the blank, and it's a great color. Let me find another edge catcher though. I can't do this. Oh, you know what? I've got this sheet of acetate that I was playing with earlier. I'll line up my thumb. Let that paint flow over and down. Rock my canvas a little bit. Send that paint right back again. This is so cool. I am totally loving this. Oh my gosh. I'm going to rock it so I send those stripes right back in there. And then I can let whatever I want. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm totally... I love this. This is so awesome. I think what's going to happen is I'm going to use my Lola Fumat to release my my excess paint on after I do my edges. And my edges are pretty well done. Pretty well. I say that. But I've got plenty of paint on my edge catcher to use. It's just a sheet of acetate. Sticking my fingers in all the holes. I've got great stripes. What a fantastic... Oh, I love this. I can't tell you how enthusiastic I am about this. I hope it looks half as good for you as it does for me. So I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. It's been a really good, colorful day. I don't mind those little cells popping up. I do torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, but also, if you're lucky and you do it soon enough, you can release patterns caught in the paint. So I want to make sure to tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and my email address is right below the Linktree link, right under Show More under the video. I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's cosmic or what, but it is awesome. Those colors are fantastic. The shapes are fantastic too. I will be doing that again. So this is a ribbon dribble. An overlapping ribbon dribble is what I'm going to call these. And I'm not the only one who does them. I just do them on a different size. And I'm hoping that I have a whole lot of smaller canvases because of being trapped in with the social distancing, etc. And so there will be some paintings. If anybody wants to purchase some art, there'll be some paintings that are more affordable because they're smaller size. And I'm hoping they will still be fabulous. So there we go. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying thank you for the contributions that have helped keep me painting. If you want to join the monthly drawing, the donations are through PayPal and Patreon, and you can find the exhibition video in the last 20 seconds of any video, and it will show you what the monthly prizes are. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Thank you for your wonderful comments. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no what it cost you. That helps me out, and I really appreciate that. Same with the Teespring, the Fine Art America, and the Pixels.com. You can find the last two underneath the link tree, and also as the Shop Now button on Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is where you can find other students. And tomorrow's video, when I post it late at night, actually it'll be tonight's video, whatever that is, but you'll be able to find it tomorrow when you look for it. Teespring clothing is Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts, and that's the clothing you see under the video if you're on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Priscilla Batzell. And if you are on Phoenix Rising, Priscilla Batzell Art, and you're not experiencing any commercials and you want to see the Teespring clothing, just open the link tree and you can find the link right there to click. I think I've told you almost everything I need to tell you, and I always say that, and then I remember Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are under the link tree, and my playlists are on all playlists, created playlists, and you can ask me for playlists too if you want, as well as leave me a comment or ask me a question. But there are 1,360 videos, so if you're looking for something to do, you have no excuse. You're not allowed to be bored. I can help you with that. Don't forget, you can ask me questions if you want, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I love you guys, all of you guys. There's almost 87,000 of you, and I'm so glad you were here for this. Woohoo! Yeah, I know, I'm crazy. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, repeating herself again, saying I love you for the last time. Binge watch, would you? See you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. And anon.